We're beginning a new painting today in which we're depicting the imperial city of Prague, and specifically we're looking at the Charles Bridge. I'm painting the sky first behind Prague, which is a stormy sky, passing rain, and I've put down a gray, and the paper is wet, as you can see, and while this gray is still wet, I'm applying a very pure cobalt blue. By that I mean it's got a high chroma aspect, and this combination of gray and a bright color is very striking in a painting and creates a lot of joy. The edges of the gray are still wet, so the blue is, as you can see, is kind of fading in, softening against some of the edges of the gray. On the lower section you can see that the paper is dry, and I'm getting some white clouds that are ascending behind the gray clouds. So it's an unusual atmospheric effect, one that you see, you know, when there's a change in weather, rain is leaving or advancing, but it creates a very dramatic sky. The technique used here was to spot wet the paper with the gray and a little bit of water, and as a second wash add the blue. I need to let this dry before I can paint the city of Prague, so I'll move down to the section of water. Sorry, my camera technique is not up to par. I cropped off part of the bottom image. Anyway, I'm using the same cobalt blue, just a little bit darker, and placing a graded wash, going from a lighter, brighter blue in the back to a denser, grayer blue in the front, creating a graded wash in the water. Then from this point I let it dry, and I begin by painting the city of Prague.